Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to search Airbnb by keyword using a simple Google search trick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. This method works on any browser, whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other option you prefer. Once your browser is open, tap or click on the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll enter a special search command that allows you to filter Airbnb listings by specific keywords, giving you much more precise results than using Airbnb's standard search feature. Now in the search bar, type site:airbnb.com in text : and then open double quotation marks. Inside those quotation marks, enter the location you're searching for. For example, if you're planning a trip to Vietnam, you would type Hanoi inside the quotation marks. This tells Google to search only within Airbnb's website for pages that contain your specific location. Next, after closing the quotation marks, add another space and type in text : again, followed by another set of double quotation marks. Inside these quotation marks, enter the type of accommodation you're looking for. For instance, if you want to stay in a house rather than an apartment or hotel room, you would type house inside the quotation marks. This additional filter ensures that Google only shows you Airbnb listings that mention both your location and your preferred accommodation type. Your complete search query should look something like this: site:airbnb.com in text : Hanoi ? In text : house ? This powerful search formula combines Google's advanced search capabilities with Airbnb's listings to give you exactly what you're looking for. Once you've entered your complete search query, go ahead and press enter or tap the search button. Google will then process your request and display relevant Airbnb listings that match both your location and accommodation type preferences. This method is incredibly useful when Airbnb's own filters aren't giving you the specific results you need. And that's it. You've now learned a simple yet effective way to search Airbnb by keyword using Google's site and in-text search operators. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.